Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Panaji police has registered FIR against constables Mayur Naik and Onkar Jadhav for allegedly outraging modesty of a female security staff of a nightclub at Fountain House, Panji. According to the FIR, these two accused persons along with one more staff of Goa police had gone to party in that nightclub, but at the entrance under influence of alcohol, they abused and assaulted and touched inappropriately the female security staff. The FIR has been registered after 24 hours, but according to police, the complainant female staff of that nightclub took time to register her complaint. After registration of that FIR, SP North Goa Rahul Gupta immediately suspended both the constables Mayur Naik and Onkar Jadhav, and investigation in this case is going on. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.